Mosey, I think there's something in this bag. Look, Mosey, will you look and see if there's anything in there?
Come on, buddy. What's in the bag?
What's going on, man? Wow. Whew.
What's up? He really likes bags. He just loves bags.
Good job, buddy.